Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me, Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back any new watchers or subscribers. This is Planet Marbasia and today I am going to be doing a no makeup look just because today, not just because, but today specifically, the weather outside is just not cutting it and I want to have that kind of spring summer glow without having to wear way too much makeup. So first things first, we are going to prep our skin with our skin routine. So I'm going to go and do that now. So I'm going to start off with my 2% salicylic acid from Revolution Skincare. And I'm going to put a few drops on 2 swabs, pads, and just go over my face. Being careful not to go around my eye region, although most times I actually do. And this is just going to, because I'm a person who likes to pick their spots, so this is just going to help when I do pick my spots for the blackness that comes with it, blemishes and all of that, to go away or just prevent them. Don't pick your spots. Now I'm going in with my willow bark extract. This is to prevent blemishes, and I like to literally pump it in and then just place that in my hand and put that all over my face. And brush up. Smooth it up like this. We don't want wrinkles. No. I like to do this because I feel like it does something to my jawline. I'm not sure it does, but right, that's nice and dry. Now I'm gonna go in with my Soupy Dewy hydrating serum, and I fill it up, but I don't use all of it. I'm just going to place 1, 2, 3. I like to do things very symmetrically, and I always do my lips. Now I'm going to go in with my moisturizer because that is nice and sunken in. And the moisturizer that I'm using today, you're going to be like, what? Really? Johnson's Baby Lotion. So I'm using, like, I'm going to use, like, I've got to be, like, really careful with this. I'm not going to press the whole pump down. So I'm using that much. I'm going to put that onto my fingers like that. And just dab that onto my face. This is what my I want to say dermatologist, but the person that gives me facials, so yeah, maybe they're a dermatologist, I don't know. She told me you don't need so much cream on your face moisturizer, you just need a little bit. Like, oversaturating your face is not going to do any more or any less. But I'm using the Johnson's because I have run out of my Nivea Q10 that I like to use. However, I like the smell of Johnson's Baby Lotion because it just makes me feel very young. Now, I didn't put any eye serum on today, but that's okay. I'm going to go and get some eye cream, which I should have put on first, but that's alright. So going in with my eye cream, I'm using 1 pump, which I will distribute on my middle and ring finger. And just pat that underneath my eye and on my eyelids, and then circular motions, smooth it up like so. The other day someone asked me if I got Botox on my face, and I don't know if I was like, I know what Botox is, and I just was like, no, I don't. However, if I did, I would get it there. and I would get something done with my under eye bags, because like they're very deep set right here, as you can see. And doing makeup sometimes it's just really hard to get rid of them, no matter what tricks in the trade you do. So that's all fine for me. Now, final skincare, I'm going in with my Gold Elixir Rosehip Oil from Revolution. As you know, most of the products that I'm using on my face right now are from Revolution. Reason being is because they are cost effective, they are cheap, they do what most stuff on the market do. 1, 2, 3, and I don't see any reason why I should pay. And on my lips, I don't see any reason why I should have to pay like £60 for a jar of something that's going to do something exactly the same but for a cheaper price, affordable to everybody. I think skincare and beauty products should be affordable for everybody. Now we know that's not always the case with higher end brands, but people are getting there. And there's Klarna and ClearPay and all of that sort of stuff, which is probably useful for people that would like to have more high-end stuff. But I'm just like, well, if it's working for you and it's on a cheaper side, don't worry. You know, I love this oil so much. It makes me feel, it wakes me up. It's the smell, like it's got a very, it's very light, but the smell just makes me feel like, okay, I'm ready to go out, I'm ready to just be wonderful. So I'm just going to leave that onto my face for a little bit, because as you can see, I've got now a shine. I mean, I could just rub the rest of my arms, my chest, yeah, and just going to let the oil sink in. I'm not going to pat my face or anything, I'm just going to let it sink in for now, and then we're going to go on to foundation and concealer and brows. Okay, so I've left that on for a few minutes. Like, I literally left it on for 5 minutes, and I think it's really important for you when you're doing your skin care, before you're doing your makeup, you make sure that you allow your serums, your creams and your oils to do what they need to do, let them soak in properly, and then you can go in with your makeup. So now I'm not actually going to put any primer on, because the stuff that I've got on my face kind of acts like a primer secondarily to what they do. So I'm just going to go in with my foundation. Plus I'm only going to be sitting around in my house because outside is dead. It is raining, it is muggy, it is just not what I wanted my weekend to be like. However, we're just going to bring some glow into the world on my face instead, okay? So let's go on to the makeup. So going in with my foundation of choice today, I'm gonna go in with a little squeeze, and I'm using my hands today. I don't normally do that, and I'm just going to place that onto my face and massage it in. Remember, we're going for a no makeup look. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I really should just clean my hands first. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this is the MAC concealer that I normally use on the channel. I've just used a pump and a half, and I'm doing this today. And I know there have been other ways to be putting on your concealer, but today this is how I'm doing it. I kind of want that effect there. I'm just gonna allow that to sit for a moment before I blend that in with a sponge. So whilst I'm waiting, I might as well just clean my hands. Time to blend. So I'm gonna work on the outsides first and work my way in. And as you can see, I'm leaving my eyes for last. Now I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm using the Brow King palette, and If you haven't seen the video, I'm going to leave the link in the description, but this is literally what I've been using. Yeah. So I was feeling the way my brows looked when I used the brow gel first, so I'm going to do that now. As you can see, put the brow gel on, and I barely have any brows, so I'm just swooping them up like so. So I've already mixed my pomade already, and we're gonna start off with my right brow. So I'm digging my brows right now, but last time when I did them, I didn't put powder on top. So now I'm just going to put powder on top because I want to get rid of that shine, but I still want the shine to be there. I don't know if that makes sense. I want it to look naturally shiny, but not pomade shiny. And then for the final step of these brows, we're going to go back in with the brow gel and blend everything together. So now I'm going to go in with the Jelly Beauty highlighter, second skin highlighter in Paradise, because obviously I want to glow. So I'm just lightly tapping that onto where my cheekbone is, over my forehead, and as you can see I'm doing it so lightly that you can't see that the product is on there, but well, you can't see too much, but it does make such a difference. Look at that natural glow. And then with my sponge I'm just going to blend, marry that into my skin like so. I actually just want to look like I'm on holiday right now, kind of like, or getting ready to go on holiday. Oh my gosh, the 6-week holidays are coming. And I think I'm going to put some lip gloss on. Well, I'm going to put, when I can find it. And I have been dying to use this. This is the Freeze Fix Dewy Fixing Mist by Revolution. And it's got XX. Well, I've just been dying to wear this. So that little button nose, look at it, cute. Distracted. So I'm going to spritz my face, and then I'm going to put some lip gloss on, and then I'm going to do my hair, and then we'll go back. Oh, this is very misty. Very misty. I feel like I'm going through a cloud right now, and if you don't know by now, I like to skydive, so this literally feels like I'm going through a cloud. Like, whoo. Yeah, that was nice. Not too heavy either. You know that little hole, it's very, ooh, I like that. That was like very, the smell is very, it has a florally, it has a scent to it. I hope this scent goes away because I don't care for it too much. I wish it had more of a natural smell like lavender or something, or just nothing at all. But yeah, lip gloss, I'm not going to put too much on. I'm literally just going to do my bottom lip and pucker up. I don't want, how am I talking? I don't want my lips to look dry. So that's how I got this look, and it's super easy, super quick, and it really doesn't take away from your daily routine if you're if you want to wear makeup but you don't want to wear too much makeup, I mean, this is my go-to right now. Like, this look is my go-to just because I've had my hair recently cut and I am digging it. As you saw in the video, my hair was pink reddish and it's growing out and it's going dull. And I also have bought some hair coloring gels or waxes so I can change up the look, and because of the my hair texture as well, I can like do a side part and do finger waves and whatever. Like, I'm really digging having my short hair right now. Don't forget, there is a giveaway for light boxes, and if you want to enter that giveaway, you can enter it now. I'll leave the description in the box below. Yes, it ends on the closing date is the 31st of May, and yes, Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. Yeah, look over there or over there, I can't remember where I'm gonna put it. But yeah, what color hair should I do next, by the way? Are you digging this blue? Like, it's a little rough there because I put some silver there. I should not have put the silver, but whatever. Anyway, ciao for now, Homo sapiens, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!